Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is commercial bank. Meaning of commercial bank. A commercial bank is financial institution that grant loans, accept deposit and offer basic financial products such as saving accounts and certificates of deposit in individuals and businesses. It make money primarily by providing different types of loan to customer and charging interest. Meaning of commercial bank. A commercial bank is a financial institution which perform the function of accepting deposit from the general public and giving loan for investment with the aim of earning profits. In fact, commercial bank, as their name suggests, ex profit seeking institution, that is they do banking business to earn profit. Definition of commercial bank is here. We can see the commercial bank can be described as financial institution that offers basic investment products like a saving, current account, etc. to the individual and corporates. Along account with that, it provides a range of financial services to the general public such as accepting deposit, granting loans and advances to the customer. It is a profit-making company which pays interest at low rate to the depositors and charge higher rate of interest to the borrowers. And in this way, the bank earns the profit. Types of commercial bank. There are two types of commercial bank. First is scheduled commercial bank and second is non-scheduled commercial bank. Scheduled commercial banks are further classified in three types, that is private bank, public bank and foreign bank. Regulation of the commercial bank. Non-scheduled commercial banks are referred to the banks which are not covered in the Reserve Bank of India's second schedule. This paid up capital of such bank is not more than rupees 5 lakhs. Regulation by central banks. Commercial banks are regulated by the central bank. In their respective countries, central banks act as a supervisor of commercial bank and they impose certain regulation to the ensure banks operate within the stipulated rules. For example, central bank make it mandatory for commercial bank to maintain bank reserve with them. Some central banks set the minimum bank reserves and this require banks to keep a particular percentage of their customer deposit at the central bank, the Reserve Bank. The reserves help to cushion bank against unexpected events like bank runs and bankruptcy. Functions of commercial bank. There are primary functions. Primary function first accepting deposit. There are different type of deposits, saving account, current account, fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Second primary function is advancing loans. It may be in term of loans, cash credit, overdraft and discounting of bill of exchange. Secondary functions are agency services, general utility services, transfer of funds, credit creation. Agency services. There are some facility provided by the commercial bank in which they act as an agent of our customers. Services like collection of payment of rent, interest and dividend, collection of payment of checks and bills, buying and selling securities and payment of insurance premium and subscription. General utility services include commercial banks provide general utility services to the customer and charges a fee for the same. It covers services like safekeeping of valuable documents etc. in locker or wallet, ATM card, credit card and debit card facility, issue of demand draft, pay order and traveler's check, internet and mobile banking, sale of application form of competitive. And transfer funds. Bank assist in the transfer of funds from one person to another or from one place to another through its credit instruments. Credit creation. The commercial bank are authorized to create credit by granting more loans than the amount deposited by the customer. A commercial bank offers as area of facilities such as internet banking, mobile banking, ATM facility, credit card facility, NEFT, RTGS and so forth, for which is charges a definite sum as a fee of providing these facilities. Significance of commercial bank. The following points highlight the significance of commercial banks. They promote saving and accelerate the rate of capital formation. They are source of finance and credit for trade industry. They promote balanced regional development by opening branches in backward areas. Bank credit enable entrepreneurs to evolve, innovate, they invest which accelerate the process of economic development. They help in promoting large-scale production and growth of priority sector such as agriculture, small-scale industry, retail trade, and export. They create credit in the sense that they are able to give more loans and advances than the cash position of the depositor. Permits. They help commercial and industrial of expands their field of operation. Thus, they make optimum utilization of sources possible. I would like to end today's session here. This is all about the commercial bank. Thank you.